Yesterday, as I was just surfing the internet, I saw a post which was uploaded by my friend Cyrus Lakdawala. And if you do not know him, well, he's a chess author. And when it comes to chess authors, he's a giant at that because he has already completed something around 50 books. He has wrote 50 books. So he has done some tremendous amount of work. And I really appreciate his efforts because most of the chess problems on my YouTube channel are because of him, because he posted them, and that's how I got to see the beauty of these problems. So, the problem you see on the board was composed by J. Sehwers in 1922. It's white to play and win. And the whole point of this problem is that you get to see minor pieces dominating the mighty queen, and you get to see some really beautiful geometrical constructions. So, white to play and win. Give yourselves around a few minutes and see if you can find the solution. Alright, so I hope you have found the beautiful move knight to e6. Now, this is not such a difficult move to spot, but the lines are really beautiful. For example, if that's taken by the king, then we have a bishop check and that picks up the queen. Alright, if that's taken with the queen, then we have bishop e3. It's quite obvious. If you take the other knight, we have the same kind of mirror image, bishop a4. And let's say if he takes with the queen, then bishop f3 wins the queen and wins the game as well. So all of those options are rather easy. Let's take a look at what happens if black plays king to c4. Now this is a real test. White here plays knight to e5. Now that's a fork. That's attacking the king as well as the queen. So that's a fork. It has to be taken. So that's taken. And here comes the beautiful point. Bishop to b3 check. And this basically wins the queen. For example, if that's taken, then we have knight to c5 picks up the queen, wins the game easily. Something like king to d3. We have knight c5 again picks up the queen. And if you even try to dodge it with something like king b5, then we chase the king with bishop a4, and finally forcing him to surrender the queen. So quite beautiful lines over here. Now let's take a look at what happens if black plays king to e4, and this is exactly the mirror of what we saw on the queen side, and that's what makes this chess problem so beautiful. Just as a king c4, we sacrificed a knight. Here again, we are going to sacrifice a knight with knight to c5. That's again a fork. The queen and the king are simultaneously attacked, and it has to be taken. And again, as in the last line, we played bishop b3. In this one, we shall play bishop to f3. So this is exactly the mirror of the last variation. Well, now let's take a look at what happens if this is taken. Well, it's easy. Knight e5 is a fork, wins the queen. If the king goes over here, we chase the king and finally pick up the queen. And the same happens if something like king to d3. We again have knight e5, picking up the queen, and that is that. White should win easily. So this is the problem, and I really found this beautiful geometry to be fascinating because it's a kind of mirror variations that you get on both the sides, queen side and king side. So yeah, a really nice puzzle, something to enjoy. Hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.